So good morning.
Yeah, very good morning. How are you?
I am doing great, and tell me about how is your practice going, and what is your channel?
Yes, my channel is going on. My practicing is going on. Yeah, everything is going on very well.
You tell me about your channel. Which type of video do you make, and what do you want to do in your life? Then I start the future talking.
Yes, yes. Actually, I want to be a good. I want to become a good English speaker. That's why I am practicing right now, and that's why I started my English speaking journey. That's why I started my YouTube channel. My channel is going on very well. I always make this kind of video, conversational video, and whenever I get free time, I always make the blog video. Yeah, but nowadays I don't get free time. And right now also I am making the video, commercial video at my house. Yeah, I am right now also I am on the roof at my house. And whenever I get free time, I go to the field area and at that place I make the blog video.
Oh, blog video, and also you want to become a blogger. Okay, as well as actually this is my dream, and that's why I'm making and I created a channel English learning blogs, and I uploaded 12 and 15 blogs video on my YouTube channel, and as well as every day I have to practice more and more, and in this particular we have to practice, and I have to show different types of area because I was in the Delhi and right now I am in the my village area, and for examine purpose right now I have come here. Okay, and after 10 day I will go on my side. So that's why right now I'm making a blogs and as well as conversation video I attend, and also right now I'm making a tricks video. What is the main tricks and how to practice on different type words. Okay, and what is the simple rules. So from simple rules, I have started making a video. Side maybe you may have watched.
Yes, yes. As the you have uploaded the so many video on your YouTube channel. You upload the conversational video, you upload the solo video, you upload the blog video on your YouTube channel. But I would like to ask one question to you. For making this kind of video, in which language do you use? Do you use your native language? Do you use English?
No, no. Actually, this video, I make a video only for English purpose, only for learning English. So that's why I make a video only English accent, only in English.
Only English language.
Yes,
Yes.
only
And
I
do you
use
upload?
to.
Do you such? And sir, do you upload any grammatical video on the YouTube channel?
Yes. Grammatically video. Just I started to uploading.
Yes, yes. And sir, what do you think? According to you, what do you think is English grammar important only for speaking English?
Yes, English grammar is important, and I want to talk to you in this topic also. So, English grammar is most important, and as well as important the five tricks means reading, writing, listening, and speaking, and 100% important practice. Without practice, you
Yes, yes,
can't speak English, you can't learn, and you can't go any field. Okay, so practice. So
yes,
practice is most important, and as well as reading, writing, listening. It's means from this way you can improve English easy way. Okay,
yes,
and
yes,
you will able to speak English fluency, and you will speak very fastly and very fluency, and you understand English very well. So as well as we have to practice, and as well as reading, writing, listening, and first of all we have to read basic grammar rules from any institute. You have to take a class. Okay, and you have to
yes,
guideline from any teachers, student teachers.
yes, yes. You are right.
Okay,
Actually, basic English
so
grammar is
that
important. Yeah,
you will
basic
speak
English grammar.
basic grammars,
Yes,
and as well as the tense, and modal verbs and passive voice. Without passive voice, you can't understand news, and you can't read a newspaper. So passive voice is most important, and by learning a passive voice, you can talk to on the you can become a you can speak social media platform. You can go and you can attend new channel, and you will able to understand news type of video. So
Yes, yes. And the
passive
few
voice
minutes.
is most important. Model passive voice and as well as tense passive voice, both are important.
Yes, yes, you are right. Actually, this kind of rules is very important. Yeah, for learning this language,
Yes,
only for
yes,
speaking English, because
100% with in this tips anybody can learn English. And also I followed
yes,
followed this way, so that right now I'm speaking English no very well, but 80% and 90% right now I'm speaking. But after 6 months, after 10 months, after 1 month, after 10 day, definitely I will speak properly English, because I will started speaking English very well. I will attend daily basis classes. I will attend a daily basis talk to someone. So definitely I will able to speak English. But right now I'm making a only mm, simple sentence videos, so that my friend could speak English. That's why I'm making a
yes.
blogs.
Sir, as a few minutes ago, you have told me listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Four things are very important for learning this language. But how do
Yes,
you
yes.
follow these kind of rules? How do you follow?
First of all, right now, first of all, first time you have to join. Suppose that you joined any institute today, okay, and you learn to simple sentence from your teachers, means subject plus basic rules structure. Right now I'm telling you, subject plus is mr plus subject, because he है हूँ मैं या वह मेरा, ही इज माई ब्रदर, वह मेरा, ही इजंट माई ब्रदर, क्या वो मेरा, ही इज माई ब्रदर, क्या वो मेरा भाई नहीं है, इजंट ही माई ब्रदर, क्यों वो मेरा भाई है, वाई इज ही माई ब्रदर, क्यों वो मेरा भाई नहीं है, वाई इजंट ही माई ब्रदर, कहाँ वो मेरा भाई है, वेयर इज ही माई ब्रदर, कहाँ वो मेरा भाई नहीं है, वेयर इजंट ही माई ब्रदर, कैसे वो मेरा भाई है, हाउ हाउ इज ही माई ब्रदर, कैसे वो मेरा भाई नहीं है, हाउ इजंट ही माई ब्रदर, कब वो मेरा इज ही माई ब्रदर, कब वो मेरा भाई नहीं है, वैन इजंट ही माई ब्रदर, क्यों वो मेरा भाई है, वाई इज ही माई ब्रदर, क्यों वो मेरा भाई नहीं है, वाई इजंट ही माई ब्रदर. In this particular way, we have to practice more and more,
Yes, yes,
so that your tongue will open, and properly you will able to speak, and you will able to remove the hesitation in this particular way.
yes, yes,
First of all, you have to read a grammar basic rules from you have to start from the basic rules. You have started from the basic rules, but first time you have to learn from your teachers, then you have to practice, then reading, writing, listening, speaking, and must you have to guidelines from your teachers, from your friends, and from your family. You have to
yes, yes,
guideline, so that you will get a motivation. Okay, and then you will able to remove hesitation in your mind. So in this particular way, anybody can learn English 100%. Right now, I am making, and you can see I am making a blogs in the public place. So when I speak, when I started making a video, everybody look me constantly. Why? Because I am speaking English without any hesitate. So everybody looks me. Why? Because they are thinking about me. Oh, actually he is speaking very well. Oh, actually right now
yes,
he
yes,
is making a blogs video properly and without any hesitation, and he is talking to foreigners, and he is talking to American person, Francis person, and foreigners. Whoever
Yeah.
person are coming in my India for visiting purpose. Right now I'm talking to you, I can talk to you, I can ask you where are you from, what is your name, and for what purpose do you have come here.
Yes,
Okay,
yes. And sir, you are right. You are right. And sir, I would like to ask one
so you
question to
have
you.
to come here,
All,
sorry.
uh, first of all, first of all, uh, uh, First of all, thank you for sharing your good thoughts. And sir, I'd like to ask one question to you. And I know to learn any language, always you have to follow four rules: L, S, R, W, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. And most of the important is listening and speaking. That's why also you are every single day you are making this kind of video for
No,
improving your listening power, for
everything
improving
is
your speaking power.
important, everything is important. Grammar is most important, reading is be also most important, writing is also most important. And without help to anyone, you can't go on the roof. And because
Yes,
you
yes,
are a learner, and you have to go by the jinnah, by the you can speak by the uh, ladder.
yes, yes.
Okay,
And sir, now it
so
and sir nowadays, do you practice reading? Do you practice writing?
yes, reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Right now, I am follow 5 tips.
Yes, yes. And sir, another part is very important. Apart from this type of rules, apart from this type of the rules, another part is very important. That is thinking. Thinking is very important. Yeah, I also follow these rules wherever I go and whatever
First
I
thing,
see. I always try to think in English. And what do you think about the thinking English?
yes, yes, thinking is also important. Without thinking, you can't go in institute. Okay, without thinking,
Yes,
and without thinking, I can't talk to you. I can disconnect the call. Okay, and
yes,
I can stop the to talk to you, because right now I'm thinking I have to talk to you, so right now I'm talking to you. So first of all, you have to think positive, not negative. I can speak English, I can learn English, I can read English, I can speak English, I can practice English, I can read grammar, I can teach grammar, I can make a blogs, I can do everything, because I want to grow.
yes, yes,
Right now it's time to English. English is
yes,
a
yes,
international language. Our native language is most important. Only for ours, only for me, only for you, only for each other, to others.
yes, yes,
Okay, but English is an international language, and you will apply um, in the company for a job purpose. So first of all, uh, you will have to need mm, of the English. Okay,
yes,
the
yes.
English,
Yeah,
because
nowadays now
English, because you have to do the work on the computer, with mobile, and with computer, everything, and you have to take a message only in English. So that's why important.
yes, yes. Nowadays, English is very important. English is an international language as well as the communication language. To communicate each other, to communicate other country of people, English is necessary. English is needful languages right now. And sir, you belong to Bihar. You have your own native language, but I don't know your native language properly. But I belong to West Bengal. I have another native language. Bengali is my native language, but you don't know properly my native language. But after learning English, after speaking English, we are talking each other. Yeah, that's why English is
Yes, yes,
connecting
of
language.
course, of course.
English is connecting. And thus,
This
on
is
the
a
other
benefit.
hand, English is a
This is
professional language. Yes,
that is a benefit.
yes, yes. And on the other hand, English is a professional language. Whenever you go to the interview for taking a good job in a multinational company, first of all, the interviewer asks the question in English. And at that time, if you don't speak English in front of the interviewer, that means you are failed in the examination right now.
Ah,
That's why
yes, you
nowadays
can
English
fail
is very
also.
important.
Definitely, you can fail,
Yes,
and he can reject you.
yes, yes. And so right now you are working person, and how many interview you have given in your life?
Almost 6 and 7.
6 or 7.
6 and 7 from the
And at
company.
that time, at that time, they always ask the question in English or your native language.
And two or three, I take on only my knitting language, and I took a 4 and 5 interview only English.
Yes, yes. And sir, right now you are working person. You are also learning this language. You are also speaking English very well. Nowadays, do you speak with your colleague in the office in English?
Yes, so you can talk to, but many type of person talk to you only Hindi, because right now I'm working in the India, so that's why you can understand. And I can talk to Hindi in the company. It's a not meter, but during the meeting, you can talk to only English.
Yes, yes. And sir, my next question, right now you are learning this language, you have been running a YouTube channel. Maybe you have a few friends and they know about yourself. You are learning this language. And sir, what kind of comments are you getting from your friend circle, from your relative circle, or from your colleague in the office? What kind of comments are you getting? Are you getting bad comments? Are you getting good comments? What kind of comments are you getting?
Yes, everybody speaks to me. You are doing great, and you can become a best blogger. So keep doing like this. Definitely, you will get a success. Don't worry. And as well as because I am a learner and I work in the safety field on the ground level, I am a trainer. So that's why I don't have a more fans followers. That's why I created a channel so that I could speak English, and I can make many friends
Yes, yes. And sir, it
from
is
the
100
social
today. Do
media
you?
by the social media.
Yes. And sir, it is Sunday today. Do you have day off today?
No, no, no. I am in my village area.
Yes. And sir,
Yes, you can
in your
speak.
locality,
It's today day off for me.
yes. And sir, you belong to village area, and in your locality, do you have any friend who is speaking English?
No, 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 no. Anybody doesn't speak.
Yes, yes. Yes, sir. Same thing happening with me. Actually, I belong to village area. In my locality, there is no friend who is speaking English. I have don't have any partner. That's why also I am using this application and using this application every single day. I make this kind of video for improving my English skill. I know very well speaking is the most important part. See, listening and speaking
100%.
both are very important.
Actually, I talked to you after 1 month ago.
Yes, yes,
Okay, actually, 21 minutes has been completed in our video. So we talk to another debate. Okay.
yes, yes. All right, sir. First of all, thank you for giving your valuable time, and I have learned so many things by connecting with you. Yeah.
Also,
All right,
also
sir.
for you.
Nice to meet
Also
you.
for you.
Take care. Bye bye.
Nice
Have a
to
good
meet
day.
you. Bye bye. Take care.